Is your Windows 10 laptop running slow, app taking favor and open, system freeze or lagging? In this video I will show you how to speed up your Windows 11 and makes it super fast in within 10 minutes using simple setting along can follow. Let's fix your slow system right now. So guys, first method, disable your startup menu. So you just right click in the taskbar and just open task manager. Just full screen, then click on this icon. You can see startup apps. Then this is disable app. You don't need to add startup like Xbox. This is not need in the startup. Just right click and disable. Terminal, just right click disable. This is a securities app. You can see Windows security, Windows phone link, Copilot also required. Just disable all who's that not required. You just disable and then close it. Next method, let's clean junk file. Windows R, otherwise you just click on Windows icon and type run. Just open, type percentage temp, again percentage, and just hit enter. Select all and shift delete. This is not required. This is stem file, no use to your system. Continue. Clean junk file, free storage in improve and performance. Then just click it and just click on skip. Close. Next guys, now you will be disable heavy virtual effect. So click on start and type view advanced system setting. Open, then advance, and you can see the performance, and then click on setting. Then click adjust for best performance and then apply and then OK. Then again click to OK. Next method, disable background app. Many app running in the background and slow your system. So you can see open task manager, and after that process, there is a system app services, it is running in the background. So click to start, go to setting, then click on app, then install app. Okay, those required install software in the your system. Suppose Microsoft Edge always working in the background, and if this is not required, you just click on three dot. Okay, this is not like Copilot. Okay, Copilot, click on three dot, go to advanced. Now you select like never. Okay, and then back. Same one more, mail and calendar, might be this is advanced. Background app permissions, never, and then close it. Next method, enable storage sense. So click to start, go to setting, then click on system, scroll down, storage, then storage sense, just turn on and then close it. Next method, update driver. So out of date driver can be lag. So just right click on Windows icon. You have to click device manager. So first extract display adapter. Just select this, right click and update automatically. Then close it. Then network, select this is the LAN, this is LAN. Just right click, LAN cable means LAN, and if you are using Wi-Fi, so you can wireless and Wi-Fi. You can see here update driver and search automatically driver. Okay, this is I already installed, that way show here. Okay, and close it. Updated driver improve performance abilities. Next method, check for malware. So click to start and type Windows security. Windows security, this is by default antivirus, which is Windows 11. Just click on it. Then click on turn and threat protections. Then just click on scan option. Select this full scan and just click on scan now. So it will take some time. Malware remove can instantly and boot speed up. So you just minimize it. Last method, just click on start, disable unnecessary services. So search type run and type msconfig. Then click on services and all hidden and just disable all, and then apply and then OK, and exit without restart because right now it's background working. So it is completed. After that, restart your system and then please check it. If this video help you, like this video and subscribe for more the Windows and fix in laptop troubleshooting videos. Comment below if PC is fast now. Thank you.